All right, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to shoot black and white, or to change it from color to black and white on your WOLFANG GA200 4K camera. So first of all, we got to turn it on, which we did. We click that and it's on. Then we're going to go to settings. We're going to click there. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to scroll down here until we get to effect. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on the settings icon here. And we're going to scroll down until we get to effect. Then we're going to click there, and then I'm going to hit BW. And now I'm shooting in black and white. And if I'm good with that, I just come back here, and then bam, ready to go. And I could just click here, and then my video is going to be in black and white. But I really don't want that, so I'm going to go back, and I'm going to go to effects again, and I'm going to go to normal. And that's it. And then back, and bam, ready to go. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff on this camera. Peace out.